marching in a tiny line. B is for bear, loves honey all the time. C is for cat, purring on a cozy mat. D is for dog, chasing its tail like that. E is for elephant with a trunk so long. F is for frog, jumping all day long. G is for goat, munching grass so green. H is for horse, the fastest you've seen. I is for iguana, sunbathing on a rock. J is for jaguar, sneaky as a fox. K is for kangaroo, hopping with a pouch. L is for lion king with a mighty crouch. M is for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is for newt, as slippery as can be. O is for owl, who hoots in the night. P is for penguin, wobbling with delight. Q is for quail, hiding in the hay. R is for rabbit, hopping all the way. S is for snake, slithering without feet. T is for tiger, strong and super sleek. U is for yorla, climbing up the hill. V is for vulture, flying with a thrill. Babble is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for X-ray fish, glowing like a cartoon. Y is for yak, with hair so thick and wide. Z is for zebra, with stripes you can't hide.